Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and never miss any new updates.
Hi viewers, so basically in this video we will learn the counting figures. That is one of the topic of reasoning. If you haven't watched my videos based on mirror images, you please do watch it. I have made video based on mirror images also. So now let's get started. Basically in counting figures we will learn the five types. So this is the first type. Here when you get a figure like this, there's a triangle, and if you get a figure like this, you are supposed to count the number of triangles. Okay, so this is the first triangle. This is the base, right? From the base there is a perpendicular line drawn till the tip, right? So this is one triangle and this is the second triangle. So add those both triangles. So 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. So the number of triangles here is 3. In the same way here, this is the base, and from the base, how many lines have been drawn? The first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, and the fourth triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. In this way, you are supposed to know the number of triangles. That's how many triangles are there in this figure. So in this way you do. Now here this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. So hence you get 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. The first triangle, second triangle. Here also the first triangle, second triangle, third and fourth triangle. Add all. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Yeah, so 5, 6 plus 4 is 10. So hence 10 triangles are there in this figure. Now we go with the third figure. So here I have another figure. First triangle, second triangle, third triangle, fourth, fifth and sixth. Now add all the 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 4, it becomes 10. 10, then plus 5 is 15. Again plus 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. You get 21 triangles in this figure. Now you have the fourth figure. So this is the fourth figure. Here, this is a kind of complicated, but it's easy. So here, this is the first bigger triangle. See here, I'll show you. So this is one triangle, right? This is one triangle. So here, this is the first triangle, second triangle, third and the fourth. So here, there are 4 triangles. 4 triangles in the sense, this is 10. Now you go with this triangle. So here, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 10 plus 5, 15. So here we have 15 triangles. And here, the first triangle, second triangle, 1 plus 2, which becomes 3. Now add 10 plus 15 plus 3. Hence, you get 28 triangles here. You get 28 triangles. So this is type 1. We have some more questions based on the same topic. If you have this kind of triangle, okay. So I tell this is the base. So from the base till here, this is one triangle, right? So hence 1 plus 2 plus 3. So which becomes 5 plus 1, it is 6. Again I take this is the base. Now this triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Again 6. When I take this triangle, 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, which again 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, which becomes 18. So hence in this triangle there are 18 triangles. Now the sixth question. So this is sixth question. Now here we can see this is one triangle. So hence 1 plus 2 plus 3. Again 6. This is the other triangle. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So plus 6. Now I take this triangle, okay? See in this way. In this direction, if you see, there is another triangle. So hence 1 plus 2, which becomes 3, and here also 1 plus 2, which becomes 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, again 18 triangles. Right? Again 18 triangles. Now the last question for type 1. So this is the last question. Now I take the bigger triangle. So this is the base. 1 plus 2. You get 3. Now I take this as the base. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Just take the base and the lines which are drawn from the drawn till the perpendicular. Which is drawn as a perpendicular till the tip. So there is first triangle, second triangle, third triangle. So 5 plus 1 is 6. I take now this triangle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now add. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So hence 19 triangles in this figure. So that was type 1. Now type 2. Type 2 in the sense, what are we supposed to do? Now in this, if they ask find the number of triangles. Now you just count the triangles inside this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 triangles, right? So 8 into 16. Hence you have 16 triangles in this figure. Now again for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 2, which becomes 8. In this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hence 6 into 2, it's 12. Now the fourth figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again it's 6. So hence 6 into 2 is 12. So by this we end with type 2 also. In type 2 I have another question for you. So this is the question. Now I take first the smaller triangle. There are how many triangles? I will take the smaller square. There are how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 2 is 12. So first square has 12 triangles. Now this square. 1, 2. Then comes 3 and then comes 4. 4, 5 and 6. So hence again 12. Now the bigger square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So hence again 12. Now this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So hence 12. So 12 4 times. 48. Yeah, so we have 48 triangles. So in this way, we solve type 2 also. Now, we will deal with type 3 now. So this is type 3. Now if they ask, how many triangles are there in this figure? What are we supposed to do? So there is a formula, okay? 2 into number of triangles on base minus 5. So this is the formula. So yeah, so 2 into number of triangles in the base. This is the base. This first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, fourth and the fifth triangle. So 5 minus 5. So 10 minus 5. Yeah, sorry, I have made a mistake here. You are supposed to square it. So when you square it, you have the number of triangles in the base is 5 itself. So 5 square is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. And 50 minus 5 is 45. So hence you have 45 triangles in this figure. Now the second question. Again 2 into number of triangles in the base. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4. 4 square is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 minus 5. Hence 27. There are 27 triangles in this figure and 45 triangles in this figure. Now the third question. So here you have third question. Now how do I take it? I take the first this triangle, then this triangle. Okay. Or else you take first this triangle or this triangle. Fine, there's no problem. I take first this triangle, and number of triangles on the base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 5 square minus 5. So hence you get 45 here. Now here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 into 4 square minus 5, you get 27. So 45 minus 27, added, that's all. 45 plus 27. 7 plus 5. 12. So 1 carry, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So hence there are 72 triangles in this figure. Fine. This is type 4, okay. In type 4, if you have these kind of problems, you are supposed to apply a formula. That is 4n minus 3. What is n? The number of triangles. This first triangle, this is the second triangle, this is the third. The number of bigger triangles, okay. The first, second and the third. So 4 into 3 minus 3. For 3s are 12. We have 12 minus 3, which becomes 9. So hence you have 9 triangles here. Now the second question. Please do try it. Pause the video and try it. First triangle, second triangle, third and the fourth triangle. First, second, third and the fourth. Yeah. So 4 into 4 minus 3. So hence 16 minus 3. You get 13. So you get 13 triangles in second figure and 9 triangles in the first figure. Hope you understood whatever I'm telling. Now we will see the type 5. In type 5, I have a figure like this. How do you find the number of triangles? Don't worry, chill. So here you are supposed to see the number of triangles here. This first triangle, second triangle, third triangle and the fourth triangle. 4 plus, and how many vertices are there? First, second, third and fourth. So 4 plus 4, which becomes 8. Now in this figure, how many triangles? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 plus, and vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 plus 5, it becomes 10. Now the last figure, number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 plus, how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6, which becomes 12. Yeah, hope you understood my video. We have learnt all the 5 types. If you like my video, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Now we will see DIY question. So this is your DIY question. This is mixture of all the 5 questions, and the answer will be given in the description box. After you solve it, please do check it. Thank you.